Have you ever noticed that we spend so much time earning money, building careers, and chasing goals, but very little time taking care of the one thing that makes all of it possible? Our health. The truth is, most people don't appreciate their health until they start losing it. We often think that being healthy means following a strict diet, spending hours in the gym, or completely changing our lifestyle overnight. But real health is much simpler than that. It's built through small choices we make every day. In this video, I'll share 10 health lessons that can make a huge difference in your life. These are simple lessons, but if you apply them consistently, they can help you feel better, have more energy, and live a healthier life. Lesson 1: health is built daily, not overnight. One of the biggest mistakes people make is expecting quick results. We live in a world where everyone wants instant success, instant weight loss, and instant transformation. But health doesn't work that way. You don't become unhealthy after eating one burger, and you don't become healthy after eating one salad. Your health is the result of thousands of small decisions you make over time. Every glass of water you drink, every healthy meal you choose, every walk you take, and every good night's sleep contributes to your overall well-being. The good news is that you don't need to make huge changes all at once. Small improvements repeated every day are far more powerful than dramatic changes that last only a few days. Remember this: your daily habits become your future health. Lesson 2: sleep is one of the most powerful medicines. Many people proudly say things like, "I only sleep 4 or 5 hours a night." But lack of sleep is not a sign of productivity. It's a sign that your body isn't getting the recovery it needs. When you sleep, your body repairs itself. Your muscles recover, your brain organizes information, and your immune system becomes stronger. Poor sleep can affect your mood, memory, focus, energy levels, and even your weight. It can make healthy eating more difficult because tired people often crave sugary and unhealthy foods. Think about how different you feel after a good night's sleep compared to a restless night. Everything becomes easier when you're well rested. Instead of treating sleep as something optional, treat it as an essential part of your health routine. A healthy life begins the night before. Lesson 3: movement is a basic human need. Your body was designed to move. Unfortunately, modern life encourages us to sit for long periods. We sit while working, studying, traveling, watching TV, and using our phones. The problem is that our bodies suffer when we stop moving regularly. Movement improves blood circulation, strengthens muscles, supports heart health, boosts mood, and increases energy levels. The best part is that you don't need an expensive gym membership or complicated workout program. A simple walk, stretching session, dance, cycling ride, or even household work can make a positive difference. The goal isn't to become an athlete. The goal is simply to move more than you did yesterday. Every step counts. Lesson 4: eat slowly and mindfully. Many of us eat while scrolling through our phones, watching television, working, or thinking about something else. As a result, we often finish our meals without truly paying attention to what we ate. Your brain needs time to recognize that your stomach is full. When you eat too quickly, you may consume much more food than your body actually needs. Eating slowly allows you to enjoy your food, improve digestion, and better understand your body's hunger signals. It also helps you build a healthier relationship with food. Food isn't just fuel, it's also nourishment, enjoyment, and self-care. The next time you eat, try slowing down. Chew your food properly, enjoy the flavors, and listen to your body's signals. You may be surprised by how much better you feel. Lesson 5: water is more important than most people realize. Water is one of the simplest and most powerful tools for better health. Yet many people don't drink enough of it. Your body depends on water for nearly every important function. It helps regulate temperature, transport nutrients, support digestion, and keep your organs functioning properly. Sometimes, when people feel tired, dizzy, or unable to concentrate, the problem isn't lack of motivation, it's dehydration. Even mild dehydration can affect your energy, mood, and focus. Many people immediately reach for coffee, tea, or sugary drinks when they feel tired, but often their body is simply asking for water. Develop the habit of drinking water throughout the day instead of waiting until you feel extremely thirsty. Your body will thank you for it. Lesson 6. Stress doesn't stay in your mind. People often think stress is only a mental problem, but stress affects the entire body. Long-term stress can interfere with sleep, digestion, appetite, energy levels, and even immune function. When you're constantly stressed, your body remains in a state of alertness. Over time, this can leave you feeling exhausted, anxious, and overwhelmed. The challenge is that stress isn't always obvious. Sometimes it appears as headaches, muscle tension, irritability, poor sleep, or constant fatigue. Managing stress is not a luxury, it's a necessity. Activities like walking, meditation, deep breathing, journaling, talking with loved ones, spending time in nature, or simply taking breaks can help reduce stress. A calmer mind often leads to a healthier body.
Lesson 7. Consistency beats perfection every time. Many people fail because they try to be perfect. They follow an extremely strict diet for a week, miss one day, and then give up completely. But health isn't about perfection. It's about consistency. Missing one workout won't ruin your progress. Eating one unhealthy meal won't destroy your health. What matters is what you do most of the time. The healthiest people aren't perfect. They simply return to healthy habits again and again. Progress comes from showing up consistently, even on days when motivation is low. Small actions repeated for months and years create incredible results. Never underestimate the power of consistency. Lesson 8. Learn to listen to your body. Your body is constantly communicating with you. The problem is that many people ignore the signals until they become impossible to ignore. Persistent fatigue, poor sleep, frequent headaches, digestive problems, pain, and sudden changes in energy levels are often signs that something needs attention. Your body doesn't speak with words, it speaks through symptoms. Pay attention to how different foods affect you. Notice how your body feels after exercise. Observe your energy levels, sleep patterns, and emotional state. The better you understand your body, the better decisions you can make for your health. Your body is not your enemy. It's your lifelong partner. Learn to listen to it.
Lesson 9. Good health gives you freedom. People often think health is only about avoiding illness, but good health gives you something even more valuable: freedom. Freedom to travel, freedom to work toward your goals, freedom to spend quality time with family and friends. Freedom to enjoy life's experiences without constantly feeling tired or limited. When your health is strong, everyday tasks feel easier. You have more energy, better focus, greater confidence, and a higher quality of life. Many people spend years sacrificing their health to save time, only to spend that saved time later dealing with health problems. Health isn't something that takes away from your life. It allows you to fully live your life. Lesson 10. Prevention is better than cure. Perhaps the most important health lesson of all is this: prevention is easier, cheaper, and less painful than treatment. Many health problems develop slowly over time, through years of unhealthy habits. The choices you make today may not seem important, but they can have a huge impact on your future. Choosing healthier foods, staying active, managing stress, getting enough sleep, and attending regular health checkups may seem simple, but these small actions can prevent many serious problems later in life. Don't wait for a health scare to start caring about your health. The best time to invest in your health is now. Because the healthier you are today, the healthier your future can be. Health is not about being perfect. It's not about extreme diets, impossible routines, or quick fixes. It's about making small, positive choices day after day. The habits you build today will shape the life you live tomorrow. So take care of your body, respect your health, and remember, your future self is created by the choices you make today. If you found these lessons helpful, share this video with someone who needs a reminder to take care of their health. And tell me in the comments, which health lesson resonated with you the most?